A day in life of pyramid worker.
Another morning. Hope the overseer's not shouting already.
Push the stone now!
Together now!
Heave! Pull! Heave!
This shade is a blessing.
It is. Drink more water. We have hours left.
Push harder! Keep the pace! Heave! Lift! Push! Heave! Lift! Push!
The carving on this side is satisfactory.
Yes, but check the depth on the south face before we approve it.
Push from the left. Steady now. Watch the ropes. Heave!
Heave! Pull together now. Get the stones moving up the ramp. We must finish this section by sundown.
Heave ho! Heave ho!
Happy, God of the Nile, bless us. The waters are life. The spirit is calm.